Good morning, students. How are you this morning? Today, I will recall you how the way to make a bar in solving word problem. So, here I give you one example of story sum. The story is Jojo brought 50 liters of milk for his party. After the party, 20 liters of milk was left. So, the question is, how much milk was drunk at the party? So, you can use the way for find the answer to make a bar. First, we need to draw a bar of 50 liters of milk. So this is the bar, 50 liters of milk. And then second, you can make a bar for 20 liters of milk. So you need to draw this. Then, to find the answer, you need to subtract this 50 liters minus 20 liters of milk. So, the answer is 30 liters of milk was drunk. So, you make another way to model of bar. So, this is the model, the second model of bar. Okay. You just need to draw one bar and then you just write 20 liters of milk and 50 liters of milk. So, the way to find the answer is the same way. You need to subtract 50 liters of milk minus 20 liters of milk. So the answer is 20 liters of milk was drunk. Okay, all the way of making bar is the same like you have learned in the first semester, yeah? So that's all about our lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye.